Hi, welcome to the Real Education. In this video, I will talk to you about how to open Chase Bank account at your home online without visiting any branch. So without wasting your most precious time, let's jump to the video. So thanks for stay tuned. I have an announcement for you. Our channel is doing a giveaway of iPad 8 generation. You can participate in this giveaway by following 3 steps. Step number 1, you have to like this video. Step number 2, give your feedback in the comment section. Step number 3, you have to watch this video till end without skip. Let's come to the point. So step number 1, please open your browser as you wish. I am using right now Opera browser. You can use your preference browser, you can use your Chrome browser and any others just like Safari and others. Right now we have to search here Chase Bank. Make sure you have to open a original website of Chase Bank. Make sure you have here is the option of Chase Bank, www.chasebank.com. Please don't open any fraud website. This is the original and official website. So click on it, chasebank.com. So now as you can see, this is the interface of Chase Bank. This page is loading right now. Here is the option of open bank account, and then you can select your bank account by clicking on the menu, and here is the option of many types of options available here: checking account, savings account, as you wish. I am right now opening this account, so click on open a account. Now this is the application. We have to fill up a application to open our bank account. Here is a many types of available. First of all, we have to click on open an account, and you can verify your email address and many other things. So first of all, this is the interface of your application right now. Are you a Chase Bank customer? If you are, then you can click on yes, and if you not, then you can click on no. I am not a Chase Bank customer. Then click on next. And make sure if you are using a mobile phone to create this application, then please make sure you have to open desktop side, and if you don't have any desktop side, then you have to face something problems. Here we have to enter first name, then we have to enter our middle name, then please enter your last name. I am entering my first name, just as you can see my middle name. After you are entering first name and middle name, this is the suffix you can enter. This is the optional. Then we have to identification. Select your identification. Are you a US citizen? Then click on yes. And if you have any other country citizen, then you can click on and add a country. I am right now selecting here. Here is the option of India. How many countries you have citizenships, you can select here. If you have only Indian, if you have only US citizen, then you can select US citizen. I am right now selecting India, and also you can add any other countries. You have to enter your DOB right here. So I am entering my DOB. After entering your DOB, you have to here enter your social security number. So please enter your social security number. After entering your social security number, type of your ID, you have to choose your ID. You can select your state ID, and you can select your driving license. I am selecting my driving license. You can use your state ID also without any hesitation and problem. You have to enter here your ID number. I am entering my ID number. After entering all details, we have to select issue states. Which state issue this ID to you. I am selecting here is the main options and states available. All states are available here. Here is the option of California. I am selecting right now California. Then we have to enter our home address. Many people make mistake here. They don't write their street address here. So we have to write here street address without any wrong information. If you don't have any street address, then Google your location, and after your location enter here. Then we have to enter our zip code here. Right now I am entering my zip code. After entering your email address and mobile number, here is the option of please read. You can read all terms and conditions and scroll down your mobile screen, and here is the option of check this box. Please check this box and click on next. So now we have to select our financial details. Select right now you are employed or unemployed. I am employed, so click on employed and select your occupation. Right now I am selecting profession. Now tap on next, and as you can see, this is the interface of this website. Scroll down your screen and you can see that this is the completely term and condition of this website. So please read all term and condition with this bank account and tap on next. Now we have to create our username. Make sure don't include any special characters in username. Now we have to make our password. Please make your secure password and strong password. Then there is an option of confirm password. So please re-enter your password to confirm. Now here is the option of 4-digit ATM card pin. Chase Bank will provide you a ATM card. So we have to set a 4-digit pin. Here is the option of pin, click on it and set your pin. Then here is the option of confirm pin. So please re-enter your pin to confirm. Now tap on next. So as you can see, congratulations, your account has been opened successfully. I hope that this video is really helpful for you. If this video is really helpful for you, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.